mystical time zone, and I missed my bed, and I soon came home.